There are several different types of potential energy in physics: gravitational, chemical, nuclear, etc. Potential energy is a form of energy that has the potential to do work, but is not actively doing work or applying any force on any other objects. Kinetic energy, on the other hand, is an energy an object has because of its motion. What does this have to do with us and inner work, you ask? Our bodies are always in search of an equilibrium in energy, and these two types of energies are almost always at work with one another, all the way down to individual cells and atoms, not only in a physical sense, but in a spiritual sense as well. If we want to accelerate an object, then we must apply a force. Applying a force requires us to do work. After work has been done, energy has been transferred to that object, and the object will be moving with a new constant speed. Probably heard this in science class. So if we haven't done the internal work to maintain that constant speed, anything in the path or in its path has the potential to throw us off course, unless we've fortified ourselves and done the internal work to maintain and withstand the bumps in the road. This is one of the biggest reasons I have for hiring a coach for myself. The potential is there. It's maintaining it at a speed that makes sense for the environment that it's in. If this resonates with you, I would love to talk to you and support you on your journey towards something great.